Need a wallet that's totally different from the usual stuff? Perfect. You're about to get the full walkthrough from beginning to end. Stick around because getting everything right comes down to the tiny details. Want to cash out big on a meme coin? You're about to get the full game plan. I'm giving you the step-by-step that made it happen for me. Zero holding back. But warning, blink and you'll miss your shot at riding this wave. Here's the deal. Pump.fun has seen better days. It's swamped with low-quality junk, and picking out anything good is a serious grind. The early players made their profits when it was fresh, but now it's just a pit for beginners to lose their money. If you've been watching closely, you know the smart move is to leave before it sinks any further. Different day, same mess, just a bunch more knockoff meme coins hitting the scene. How are you making sure you don't get stuck holding the bag like the rest? You gotta make the jump to Radium. That's where things are actually popping off. Compared to that, Pump.fun stats are just sad. Stop hustling for crumbs in a packed-out market when there's deep liquidity pools waiting for us. And all those charts down minus 99%? That's our signal to start making some serious plays. Fewer coins fighting for attention means your project shines brighter. The charts don't lie. Stuff around here is taking off wild. Just remember, you seriously need to know your way around code if you want to stand a chance. The coding barrier just got completely wiped out. Launchtool.io opened up Radium launches for everybody. This is a total game changer. Creating legit tokens is now within reach for anyone who wants it. Everything you thought you knew about launching coins? Toss it. It's outdated already. Here's the starting point. We're building our tokens vibe. Jump into Canva and set up a clean 128 by 128 canvas. After that, go surfing the internet for either the dumbest meme or the cutest creature, whatever fits your style. I picked this chill guy image because it feels way too real. Line it up nice, download it, and there you have it. Unlocked. Fire up Launchtool and connect your Phantom wallet. Just a single click and you're good to go. Now it's time to give our token a name. I'm calling mine Chill Guy, and the symbol will be chill. If you're feeling inspired, have fun with the description. And remember to upload that cool logo we designed. Hit next and boom, we're already on track. Now let's dive into tokenomics, and trust me, these numbers are the real deal. We're sticking with the proven structure that's backed so many success stories. 1 billion tokens, that's no random choice. That's the gold standard in the industry. So hit next and keep your eyes on the prize. We're in the creator setup phase, and that 0.1 Solana personalization option may look inviting, but it's not really necessary to invest in here. The skip button is where it's at. Saving those funds now will make a huge difference when we hit the critical phases ahead. Now we're at the social media section. You'll be prompted for your socials, but here's the reality. Radium's existing audience gets more engagement than any of these socials ever could. If you're starting fresh, this part is just a formality. Keep it efficient, click skip, and put your energy into the next steps. This is a critical trust step. These 3 options can't be turned off. Revoke freeze? Freezing wallets is a huge red flag. Revoke mint? It allows endless token minting. That raises serious alarms. Revoke update? You could change the terms later. That's a deal breaker. Experienced traders will always review this first. Any funny business and they'll bail. Understood? Great. Hit launch my token now, and let's get started. Get ready for the wallet notification. It'll be here any second. When it arrives, don't overthink it. Just tap confirm. In a blink, and there you go. Your token is now set in the blockchain forever. This is it. Major steps, and you've just arrived, my friend. Here's where the magic truly kicks in. Soul scan. Select that final Launchtool option to monitor your contracts live in the blockchain. Prepare yourself. Things are going to light up quickly. Up next, we're diving into creating the liquidity pool. Liquidity is absolutely key. It's not optional. Head back to Launchtool and select the second menu option to open Radium's interface. You'll be automatically sent to liquidity setup with default configurations. First up, connect your Phantom wallet. It's a one-click process for me, but you may need to select it manually from the wallet icon. For the base token, you can use the address from Launchtool or SoulScan. Both are perfectly fine. I'm picking the first address from Launchtool. Paste it in, then enter your token details. Chill is the symbol, and Chill Guy is the name. Hit Add User Token, find it in the list, and boom, you've got 1 billion tokens ready to go. Your liquidity strategy is simple. Deposit 900 million tokens. Solana is the only quote token that works on Radium. Fully fund your position. To stay ahead, Allocate anywhere between 0.8 and 2 Solana, but don't forget to reserve 0.2 Solana for network fees. Pro tip, choose a 2% fee tier for maximum efficiency. Heads up, fees are in your hands. While 2% is a good starting point, 0.5% might be the sweet spot for you, so play around with it. The final step is simple. Press the Initialize Liquidity Pool button, confirm in your wallet, and mission accomplished. Your token is now live. Time for a quick check. Go back to Photon and ensure the radium filter is active. With just that toggle, your token is now open for business. Right now, crypto sharks are searching for new opportunities, and yours is officially on their radar. Let's check the chart. You can grab your address from either Launchtool or SoulScan, doesn't matter where. Head to Dex Screener, open any token page, and replace the address with yours. Voila, instant data. Those early buys? Just automated bots testing the waters. But when the graph starts showing real growth, that's when the whales start showing up. Just another quick heads up, you can track your liquidity position by visiting the standard section of your portfolio on Radium. Timing can be a little odd. Sometimes it'll appear immediately. Other times it may take longer. Don't stress about it though. That's just how the blockchain works. It'll show up when the moment's right. Okay guys, it's been 13 minutes since we created the liquidity of the coin, and we can see quite a lot of activity in it. Gradually, we will see how our liquidity goes up and up, so let's keep watching how we do in the next few minutes. It's been 19 minutes, and look, we have two purchases, one of $89 and another of $118. That would be about 1.4 Solana combined. That liquidity will go up thanks to this. Before it was over 300, now it's around 800. It looks good, so let's keep watching in the next few minutes how we are doing. Well guys, it's been 23 minutes and just came in with a purchase of $148. 1 Solana. It's looking very good. This liquidity is getting more and more upwards, so we'll be leaving soon. Let's continue to see what happens. 31 minutes guys. And look at this. Two purchases came in. The biggest so far. $208 and $252. That's 3 Solana. With this we are done. I told you. The method works. So let's get out of here and find our treasure. Stick with me guys. We are going big. Get ready for your rewards. Make sure your Phantom wallet is synced. If not, just tap the wallet icon to connect it. Head to the standard view, find your liquidity stake, and hit the minus button. Profits launched. Mission control is live. Go full throttle at 100%. We're cleaning house. Your Solana rewards are set, so it's time to fire the shot. Slam that remove liquidity button. Confirm in your wallet and let the on-chain magic take over. This playbook is proven to deliver. Follow it for consistent wins. The stats are clear. A 90% success rate from 0 to hero. Pro tip, first movers eat while the rest scramble to catch up. Check your numbers, then make your move quickly. Timing is everything in this game.